During 2015, cardiovascular patients in China have reached about 300 million. That is equivalent to the total population of the United States. Cardiovascular disease is one of the most difficult challenges we will face. In the 70s, Canadian and Danish scientists discovered that the Inuit people living around the Arctic does not have access to the fruits and vegetables, and they rely heavily on fish and seals. They rarely get cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or cancer.
The incidence of cardiovascular disease was almost non-existent, despite the fact that they ate a very high-fat diet.
Scientists and the health officials were attributing their good health to what they were eating, and seal was probably 60% of their diet.
After 40 years of studies, scientists discovered that seals are one of the major factors for their good health.
Seal oil supplements can have an impact on various different types of diseases. One that was, of course, first noticed was the cardiovascular disease or heart disease. And it's certainly clear that you can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by taking supplements of seal oil.
IND natural harp seal oil contains rich omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, DPA, and DHA. It also helps to reduce the risk of coronary disease.
Seal oil is mammal. Our human is mammal. The seal oil, the components of omega-3 is just as good as a human being.
For mammal species like human beings, it is easier to absorb seal oil when compared to fish oil. It has a higher purity and nutritional value for us.
Fish oils tend to be very easily oxidized. It means they go rancid. And on top of that, they tend to have a lot of saturated fats, which are thought to promote heart disease. The seal oil, on the other hand, is high in what are called monounsaturated fatty acids. These are the fatty acids found in things like olive oil, which is thought to prevent cardiovascular disease in Europe, in the Mediterranean.
Seal oil is much better than fish oil because of the availability of the DPA that you get directly absorbed, as opposed to fish oil, which you have to convert in your liver.
IND seal oil is extracted from the premium quality harp seals in Newfoundland and Canada. They are the most natural, uncontaminated seals. IND harp seal is extracted immediately to ensure its freshness and safety. From seal hunting to processing to packaging, IND harp seal is under the inspection of Health Canada, and it's processed in Canadian facilities. This is to ensure that no impurities and heavy metals are in the product, and is made from 100% Canadian materials. The quality of IND harp seal oil far exceeds the standard of Chinese nutritional products.
As you can see, all the product is made here in our Canadian facility. The seal oil coming from Newfoundland to being made into soft gels, to being finally packed in this product to be shipped to you.
IND harp seal oil, harvested from the beautiful ocean of Newfoundland, will truly prevent you from the harm of cardiovascular disease.